Welcome to our comprehensive comparison review of TP-Link's Archer 8 and Archer 8 and Archer A9 routers. Let's explore their key specifications. 1. Wireless. Both routers operate on Wi-Fi 5 standards with ACK 1900 speeds, offering 1300 Mbps on the 5G Z-band and 600 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. The Archer 8 features 3 fixed high-performance antennas, while the Archer A9 comes with 4 fixed high-performance antennas, including both external and internal ones, enhancing signal coverage for medium-sized homes. 2. Security. Archer 8 and A9 routers provide robust security features, including SPI firewall, access control, and IP binding. They also offer guest networks and support various encryption protocols such as WEP, WAP, and WAT. Additionally, the Archer A9 includes VPN server support with OpenVPN and PAPT protocols for secure remote access. 3. Hardware. The Archer 8 is equipped with a 1.2 GHz single-core CPU, while the Archer A9 features a single-core CPU. Both routers offer gigabit WAN and LAN ports for high-speed wired connections and come with standard buttons for easy setup and reset. 4. Software. In terms of software, both routers support essential protocols like E4 and EP6 and provide management options through the Tether app and web interface. They offer comprehensive parental controls, warning types, quality of service settings, and cloud services for firmware upgrades and dynamic DNS support. In summary, the Archer 8 and A9 routers offer similar wireless capabilities and security features, making them suitable for medium-sized homes. However, the Archer A9 stands out with its additional external antennas for enhanced signal coverage and VPN server support. Choose the one that aligns best with your specific networking requirements. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.